Alright guys, so let's talk about getting paid on Amazon. Now you've published your book and you're making sales. How do you receive your earnings? I know I've covered this in the beginning when I made a video about creating an Amazon account, but let me go over it again and show you how to add your bank account so that you can receive your earnings every month. Now the first thing you need to do is log into your KDP account and click on your account. Now there's a menu up here. Click on your account. This page will come up where you're going to see my profile, getting paid, tax information. Click on getting paid. Now there is an option. I've already added bank accounts here, but if you've not added any bank accounts, there will be an option here that said add bank account. Now before you do that, make sure you enter your tax information. Everything is electronic, so go ahead, click on it and enter your name and fill in a few details, and it will be saved, it will be updated in your account. Then go ahead and click on add bank account. Now let me show you how to create a US bank account in case you don't have a US bank account and you are not in the US. I'm going to show you how to do that. There is a link in the description that will lead you to Payoneer or Wise. You can use any of them to create an account. But I'm going to show you how to create an account with Payoneer. So go ahead and click on the link to open Payoneer account. And once you've opened it, you can click on register or click on open your account. Anyone will go. Click on it and a page will come up where you're going to select the type of account you want to create. Now, it said, what are you? Are you a freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, or an individual? Go ahead and select the individual option. Go ahead and select the individual option. And what are you looking for? Are you looking to get paid and make payment globally? Yeah, this is the option I want to select. Go ahead and select that. It's going to bring up another page where you're going to enter your information. Now, said freelancer agency or service provider. Yeah, this is the right option for me because it's an individual. Assuming you have a business account, then you can select another option. Then go ahead and click on register. Another option, another page will come up where you're now going to fill in the details of your account, like your name, your email address, and the date of birth. Now, first of all, is your business registered in any government like in US or other countries? If you have a business registered in the US, let's say an LLC, for example, you can go ahead and select yes. You have an LLC. The information here will change to accommodate the name of your company and other, but since it's an individual account we were creating and you are probably not from the US, so go ahead and select no, my business isn't registered, so it's an individual account that you're opening. Enter your first name, your last name, your email, enter your email again, then your date of birth. Once you're done with that, click on next to enter your account details like your address and your phone number. You enter all those, enter your security questions, then create your account. I'm not going to do that. I already have an account with Payoneer, so this is just how to go about it. Fill in your details, and once you are done, you can log into your account. Now I'm going to log into my account and show you how to proceed from there. All right, so I've logged in into my Payoneer account. Now, once you log in, go ahead and click on Get Paid. There will be an option for Get Paid. Now, since it's a new account that you have, they are going to request for a bank account, a US bank, and other countries, the US, Euro, pounds. So request for each of the accounts. Now, click on Get Paid and click on Receiving Accounts. All right, so the receiving account is showing now. As you can see here, there's a bank. This is the bank name, this bank address, my routing number, account number, checking type, account type checking, and beneficiary, my name, David Nwaeze. Now, go back to your KDP account and click on Add Bank Account. Now, once you click on Add Bank Account, where is your bank located? It's going to ask you where your bank is located, the country. Now, if you check your country is not here, go ahead and select the US since you already have a Payoneer account. So select the US because we want to add a US bank account. And the account type, if you check here, the account type is checking. It's a checking account. So go ahead and select checking. Now account number, select the account number. This is the account number. Go ahead and copy it. You can copy the account number and paste it here. Enter your account number again. So remove this. Just enter only the number. Don't enter. Copied everything. So I'm going to enter only the account number. Then the routing number. The routing number. This is the routing number. Let's select it. Copy. Enter the routing number. Now the account is an individual account, not a corporate. It's an individual. Then you enter your date of birth. You enter your date of birth here. Enter the account holder name. Now account holder name is your beneficiary name, your name, the name that you use in opening the bank account. Enter it here. Enter your name here. You can enter the date of birth. You can just select from here. Select the year. Year 94. So you can just select your year here. You see everything has been entered. Once you are done, you can go ahead and click on add. Once you click this add, it will be updated. I already have a bank account, so I'm not going to add another one. I have two. I have a dollar account. I have a pounds account. I can add euro in case, maybe let's say I made sales in euro. They will send it. They will not convert it to a dollar or pound. They just send it to the euro account. If you make sales in dollar, they will send it to your dollar account. If you made sales in pounds, they'll send it to your pounds account. So you will not need to worry about conversion rates, and you do your conversion yourself. So you can add more than one bank account here. Or if you have another account that is no dollar or euro or pounds, you can also add it. So just in case you made sales in that particular currency, they will send it in that account. So I think we've covered it. That's how to create a bank account and add it to your KDP dashboard so that you can receive your earnings every month. Now, I think that we've covered everything here. So I'm going to show the last training. That will be promoting your book using Pinterest. It's a free way to advertise your book and get more traffic and make more sales. So I'll see you in the next training.